What's going on, everybody? My name's Israel, and you're watching Invest with Izzy. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I just want to talk about what I see in the crypto markets, what I see Bitcoin doing soon, and just overall in crypto, and how I just feel in this certain moment that we're living in right now. So I apologize if there's going to be a little bit of lag in the video. I don't know what's going on, but I still got to push these videos out. All right. So here we go. So first things first, as so first things first, if you've been paying attention to the markets, you've seen that Bitcoin has went from like low 60s or whatever. In the past couple weeks, it's rallied almost past the all-time high. We were like 400 away from the all-time high, and now we see a certain retracement. And right now, as I speak, we're at $68,800, and it's Sunday, November 3rd. And guys, I'll be honest with me personally, I'm so tired of the markets and everything that's going on, but not in the way that I'm going to give up. It is kind of frustrating to where we run up, we almost make a new all-time high, and then we fall down, and then we consolidate and just kind of stay stagnant for a while, and we're just not breaking out. I know it's frustrating. So I just want to share my opinions of what's going to happen next based on the fundamentals on the charts and also the overall sentiment of the crypto markets in general. So we're going to dive into the charts and I'm going to analyze it and give my take on it. All right, so diving into the charts right here, guys, as you can see, first of all, I just want to point this one fact out right here. Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Okay, look at this first. I had to like snap back into reality for a second and just kind of realize where we're at. Look at how much we've climbed from September 8th. So basically 2 months, like we've been on a steady climb. Yeah, it's been up and downs, but every market's up and downs like this. There's no straight line up that just goes like this. Like, no, that never happens. All right. Let's be realistic. People are going to sell at every single price point along the way, except 69,420. But no. So as we can see, this ascending channel is being respected very, very great. I didn't even realize this until I watched some other YouTubers' video. So I think it was Discover Crypto. So shout out to them for pointing this out, because that's how TA works too, right? Like you can be a master TA guy and you have a lot of experience, and some things you just don't see. And that's just something I didn't really see until they pointed out. But yeah, it's true. You can see we've respected this ascending channel. And so as you can see, we went all the way up to 73,624. All right. So we were so close to beating that all-time high in the past like year plus, right? So it's cool, right? It's cool. What I'm trying to show though, guys, anyone watching, ladies and gentlemen, man, like we literally have not even fell that much. Just take a deep breath back and see where we came from. We came from 49K in the past like 3 months all the way up to right now where we're at. We're up 40%. So if you would have just bought when everything crashed, you would have been up 40%. Where else can you make that amount of money in a short period of time? Like, and it's basically like stable income. All right. But the even more recent thing I'm gonna point out, look, we've only been going down for 5 days. Like when I realized that, I realized like I was just being a baby. Like I'm just in my emotions, checking the charts every 1 hour. So when I realized that, I just realized like, man, I need to take a step back. I need to chill out, take a chill pill, and just let the markets happen, because this is only the start of this major run up. Because realistically, guys, look at this. We broke out of this descending, broadening wedge, all right? And yeah, we're finally over it. And this is what really typically happens. Why, right? Like you break out, sometimes you retrace a little bit, and half of the time, really, it's like you might retest that line, right? And that's what we really did. And now we're above that line. So we are actually in really good shape. Don't be fearful. This is nothing crazy. This happens all the time, whether it's stocks, crypto, forex. Basically, this happens. All right, so now it retests because people obviously sold at the all-time high, thinking that it's not gonna pass it, or it'll be too many sell orders right there. So that's obviously just what happened. It's nothing crazy, and also the stock market tanked last week, Thursday, I believe, Thursday, Wednesday. Bad earnings from these big tech companies. Cool, whatever. It just follows the stock market a little bit. Cool, but we're all good, people. All right, we gonna be all right if we just sit tight and hold on for the ride. All right, just hold on till it goes back up. That's what I'm doing. I'm not selling. Yes, it is boring. It is boring. I won't lie about that. It is boring sometimes. But in crypto, I'll say this: in crypto, it always seems like 5 days is like 5 months. And that can be anything further than the truth, because crypto, realistically, you gotta realize it trades 24/7. But stock market, it trades only 5 days a week. So if it only trades 5 days a week, you get that break on the weekend. So you reset your mind and you basically forget what happened in the previous week. So just by default, like that, you're gonna be a little bit more entertained with the stock market. So I think speaking of entertainment, let's see how entertained people are with Bitcoin as a search term. And what I use Google Trends for, guys, is sometimes you gotta see where the whole world is at. Are they really getting hyped up about Bitcoin? And is it like on an all-time high in terms of, like, this is a common term in crypto, but euphoria, right? Like in terms of hype, like, because when you're at that peak height, that's when you kind of want to be careful. Like, okay, like it doesn't get higher than this, and that's typically when things just crash, right? So let's just go not in the past day. Let's go past 5 years, right? Let's take a look. So let's just compare, right? At March 2021, right? What was it, March? No, May 16, 2021. That should probably be related to when the all-time high was. All right, I haven't even looked at this. Oh, sorry. I just got a text, guys. Um so yes, so I haven't even really looked at this. I'm just kind of going off for reference. May 21, right? May 2021. All right, so no, that wasn't really the all-time high or anything. Oh, well, yeah, I guess you can say that. Sorry, guys. So, as you can see, this is a peak euphoria, and it just tanked after that. All right, next peak euphoria in November 2021. Let's see if that's all. That was also a high point. So, November 2021, a little bit, but it was higher than usual, right? But really, right now, we're very lower than usual. We're at 19, right? We're at 19, we're at 19, we're at 19. It's literally almost lower than the bear market that we are just in. So really, no one's really searching out Bitcoin and trying to see what's up. Like, so it's cool, guys. Like, just be patient. We're gonna come back. Don't rush anything. For me, I'm sitting tight and holding on for the ride. We got plenty of more upside to go. And as you know, the election is next week on Wednesday. So yeah, let's see, man. Let's see what's happened. Let's see what happens. But we're not looking too bad, guys. We're not looking too bad. All right, we're in this ascending channel, which is amazing. But I will say, I think what's gonna happen is this is gonna rally up. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to the daily. After elections, if the red gets elected, we might see it go past all-time highs, and then maybe hit something like 77, 78K. Yeah, around there, 77K. And then it's going to fall after everybody sells. and then you just have to be careful. But I think it'll go back to maybe lower 70s, and then it'll continue. I think it'll actually respect this ascending channel realistically, probably for the next month or two. I don't see this breaking down for a while because I don't see us going back down under 70K after we break that all-time high. This is just rough, right? And of course it can break down. No, I don't see it breaking down. So anyways, that's it for this video. I don't want to make it too long, but thank you for tuning in, and just like that, I'm gone. Peace.